Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer. We have this double integrals and we have R is the region of this one. So we just put the bounds going here and here. So you got like this. So we need to do the integration by dx. The integration of s where we have s to the power of 3 over 3. The integration of 3y, we don't have s, so we have 3sy. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 going here, number 0 going here. So about the bottom, if we put 0 in here, you got about 0. So we just have only about the top. So if I put number 1 going here, we have 1 over 3. If I put number 1 in here, you will have 3y. The integration of 1 over 3, we have y over 3. The integration of y, we have y squared over 2. And now I will put about from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 going here, number 0 going here. And now we have the final answer. We calculate about this one. We have negative number 7 over 6. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the next one. We have dy, the integration of number 9. We have 9y. The integration of s squared with tau y. So you have about negative s squared y. The integration of y squared, we have y to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put the bound from 0 to number 2. So I will put number 2 going here, number 0 going here. And now we have the final answer. That is about 18 minus 2s squared minus 8 over 3. And we have dx. So we have 18 minus 8 over 3. We got about 46 over 3 minus 2s squared and now we have the final answer. The integration of 46 over 3, we have 46 over 3s. The integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. And I will put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 going here, number 0 going here. And you got the final answer. And that is about 44 over 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.